Degree of a polynomial. What do you understand by degree of a polynomial? The highest power of a variable in the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. So it says over here, the highest power of a variable in the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, let's look at the example. 2x raised to 7 minus 5x plus 9. Now, what is the index of this variable? It is 7. What is the index of this variable? X. If I have only x, it means x raised to 1. What is the index of here? It is 0, because I can write this as x raised to 0. So the index is 0. So what is the highest index over here? The index is 7. So the degree of this polynomial is 7. So I can say degree of this polynomial is 7, because my rule says that the highest degree of any variable will be the degree of the polynomial. Clear? So this is the rule that I will follow. So what about terms with more than one variable? With more than one variable. Like for example, look at this. 3m square n cube plus 7m square n square minus mn. Now there are two variables. Now how will I find out what is the degree? Now the rule says that we check the degree of each term. We'll check the degree of each term. Now let's take the first term, 3m square n cube. What is the degree of m over here? It is 2. Okay. What is the degree of n over here? It is 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let's take the second term, 7m square n square. 7m square n square. Here the degree of m is 2. The degree of n is also 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. I just simply add the degrees of the different variables in each term. So here the degree is 5. Here the degree is 4. What about mn? Mn is nothing but m raised to 1 and n raised to 1. What is the degree of m? 1. What is the degree of n? 1. So if I add it, it becomes 1 plus 1 is 2. What is the highest degree? I see that this is the highest degree. So I can say the highest degree is 5. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 5. Let's take some examples for us to understand. Suppose I have a polynomial which says x raised to 7 plus x raised to 3 plus x raised to 4 plus 5x. Okay, is this a polynomial? Yes, because all of these are whole numbers. I am not worried about whatever comes here. I am just worried about whatever comes in the index of the variable, which is the highest index that I have over here, 7. So degree is 7. The degree of this polynomial is 7. Let's take one more example. 5x raised to 8 minus 6x square minus 9x cube plus 5x raised to 5. Again, look at this. Which is the highest degree? X raised to 8. 8 is the highest degree. Negative sign is there, does not make a difference. We just have to see whether the variable has got the highest degree. So the degree of this polynomial will be 8. You're right if you're thinking like that.